Decoding. Data can also be represented in the form of a hidden or secret message, called as coded data. The hidden message can be in the form of a symbol, number, picture, letter, or a pattern. The process of converting a hidden message to a meaningful text is called decoding. Look at the code below used to solve the sums. Code: A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4, E is equal to 5, F is equal to 6, G is equal to 7, H is equal to 8. Sums: A multiplied by B is equal to B. E multiplied by A is equal to E. B multiplied by C is equal to F. D multiplied by B is equal to H.